Toyota Corolla Cross. Here we go. Front door. I think everyone knows the rule. There's a screw behind here. Pop this open. Phillips number 2 head. There we go. Come out, little buddy. And then just gonna peel this panel back just a little bit, and there's a just like that. Put your hand in there, yank out as you slide out. Careful not to scratch any of this. Out, go. Put that in a safe spot. Back door, very similar. Open that baby out. Number 2, Phillips head. 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. 1 second, Master Chef. Peeling this back. Then on this one, you got to, it's a little tab right here. You got to open this up because it's connected to this seal. If you don't do this, you're not going to be able to put the seal back in correctly because it has a little rubber seal that's connected to this. All right, there you go. Goodbye.